What's going on, guys? We are back. Today I've got a 2025 Ford F-150 single cab supercharged. This thing is sweet. We just did our full Icon Rocklear paint application to the entire car. We ceramic coated the rims and we undercoated the entire underside and cavity protection, all the doors, the hood, the tailgate, to protect from all that road salt, road grime, and rust. This thing is looking meaner than mean. I am super happy with how this came out. We also applied some custom Ford emblem overlays to the front and back to just give it that blacked out look. This is next level Ford, baby. This supercharged F-150 is ready to go. Let me explain what we did. The first part of the process is our undercoating. We undercoated the entire underneath. The full undercarriage got our 7 to 10 year life expectancy wax oil. That's a combination of the wax from wool wax, the oil from fluid film. You get wax oil. It's a Swiss-made product. They've been around for over 50 years. What the oil does is it actually penetrates the steel frame and it constantly is blocking the oxygen from ever hitting the metal. Then all of that wax holds that oil up to protect it and hold it in for those 7 to 10 years. That's how you get your longevity, is actually from the wax holding it up. When you have oil by itself, it kind of drips on the driveway, it kind of leaks. It's not really the greatest. It doesn't last very long, maybe 9 to 10 months. With the wax, it lasts a long time, of course, but it's not actually constantly penetrating the steel frame, blocking the oxygen. It's just sitting up there, and you can get water and rust from underneath the wax, and then you're, 3, 4, 5 years later, you're looking at this wax, and it's just deteriorating, kind of like those factory undercoatings that they put on a lot of Chevy trucks and a lot of the Ford, like, higher-end frame models. They put that, like, wax dipped coating, and all it does is just rust away. So that's why we use wax oil. It's #1 in the country for undercoatings. It's the best that we found, and it looks awesome. It has that like matte black finish to it. It looks super sweet. Then we went into our Icon process. Icon Rocklear's our super coating. It's a 15-year warranted coating, protecting up to 30% from any marring, swirling, light scratches. It's not 100%, it's not bulletproof. We're not putting Kevlar on. And PPF, paint protection film, is definitely more protective. But for the hybrid solution between a ceramic coating and PPF and not spending 8, 9, 10 grand to cover your entire vehicle, this is the ultimate solution. It's up to 25 times thicker than any ceramic coating, up to 75 times stronger, and up to 30% glossier than any ceramic coating on the market. You might be wondering how. How do you get those numbers? Well, they're all lab tested, but when we apply Icon Rocklear and we apply it onto the vehicle, we actually never remove it from the surface. So it's the world's first self-leveling coating. Now, when you put on a traditional ceramic coating, you put a ceramic coating on, you wait about 5 minutes, then you buff it off. There's not much protection there. There's a lot of gloss, ease of maintenance, shine. Like, the vehicle's a lot easier to clean and maintain. But when you put Icon Rocklear on and we never ever remove it, that is how you get all of that thickness, that gloss, that protection. So let me walk you through the process very quickly from start to finish of our Icon Rocklear. The first step is getting into our wash bay. Now, our wash bay is absolutely bar none. It's top of the line, the creme de la creme of wash bays. We start by doing a full foam wash on the entire vehicle. We clean everything. The rims, the tires, the wheelbarrows, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, all of the brake dust, every single part of the paint, the trims, the windows, the whole nine. We clean everything. Then we take a detail brush, we go around all the trim pieces, the headlights, the tail lights, all the front grille, all the accent pieces, any of the fender emblems, anything crack and crevice, we take a detail brush to dislodge all of the dirt. Once all the dirt's dislodged, then we go into our clay bar and iron decontamination phase. So we start with an iron decontamination. That's going to remove any iron particles, any brake dust, and any road grime that could be on the paint. Then we do a clay bar treatment. If you've never heard of a clay bar, it's like a bar of soap. We take a little piece off, we use some clay lubricant, we rub it on the paint to remove any embedded contamination in the paint. If you've ever felt your paint and it feels kind of like that sandpapery feel, that is what we are fixing on the paint. We're removing that sandpaper feel. Then after all of the iron decon and the clay bar, then we do what's called Icon Rip. It's an Icon Rocklear proprietary product. What it does is it rips off, no pun intended, any waxes, ceramic coatings, dealership stuff, any F11s, any waxes or sealants that could be on the paint, we rip off. Because when we apply a 15-year coating, you're only as strong as your weakest link. If we have a coating that's 3 months or a 6-month sealant on the paint and we put Icon over it, you're toast. So it's very important that we remove everything on the exterior, waxes, sealants, all that wise, with the Icon Rip. That also removes any light oxidation and any light swirl marks. Then after that, we do 3 stages of Fireball Wax Off. Now, Fireball Wax Off is a product from South Korea, and Wax Off is used to go around all the edges, the cracks, the crevices, and that's going to remove even more of the ceramics that are on the paint, the dealership stuff, the waxes, sealants, anything of that nature. So 3 wax offs, then it gets washed again. It gets a second bath here at A2D. Then it goes to our taping base. So we tape off all of the exterior, very similar to like that Ford truck if you see over there. Tape off all of your plastics. We're taping off your headlights, your taillights. We're taping off your emblems, your rims, your windows, anything that cannot get coated with our Icon Rocklear. Then we bring it into our booth. This booth is dust controlled. It's got an exhaust system in it. It's got AC and heat. It's always the same exact temperature all year round. And it's got a dehumidifier in there as well. And I can actually count the particles and microns of dust particulates in the air in the booth. So that's why we have it kind of sectioned off with 180-degree lighting, and it's called softened lighting. And the softened lighting actually allows us to see where we're applying the coating, because you have one shot at applying the coating. So we use the softened lighting to make sure we can actually see, everything that we're looking at. Once the application is done, then we de-tape everything, bring it outside for our final quality checks. And on this particular F-150, we did ceramic coat the rims. We used Fireball Talon to ceramic coat the rims. So that gives 2 years of nice hydrophobics, easy maintenance on the rims. The brake dust doesn't stick nearly as much. They're a lot easier to clean and maintain, and they look super, super glossy. If you want to get your car Icon Rocklear coated, we are booking currently for the end of June and the beginning of July. We're about a month and a half out right now. We offer a lot of other services as well. If you're looking to get your car taken care of, we do everything from basic interior and exterior detailing. We do, of course, our Icon Rocklear. We do paint correction, soil removal, and ceramic coatings. We do paint protection film at our clean room down the road. We do all of our paint protection film, PPF, window tinting, custom vinyl wraps. We also do our undercoatings, our cavity protection, and so much more. Powder coat rims, you name it. If you want to get any of this work done to your car and you want the absolute best in the South Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana area, attention to detail with the number 2. Our only location is Highland, Indiana. We're right off of US 41, the Boulevard, and 45th Street, about 6 minutes from 8094. If you're looking for the absolute best in vehicle enhancement and protection, give us a call, 219-533-8783, or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to look forward to working on your vehicle soon. I'd be honored. I'll bring you in for a consultation where we can actually walk you through the entire process that your car goes through, and we can meet you, shake your hand, and go over exactly what you're looking for your vehicle, your lifestyle, your budget. If you want to give us a call, book a consultation, 219-533-8783. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Aaron, out.